Hi, this is Tom with Two Admins in the Cloud, and today we're going to talk about one of Salesforce's newer features called Quip. Why would you need something like Quip? Everything else in Salesforce is very much collaborative. So think chatter, think the records themselves, different people can see those records. And all along you've been able to add files to a Salesforce record, but it's not been a very collaborative type of a file. I mean, you can attach a PDF or a Word document and so forth. What Quip does is allow the actual document to be collaborative itself, just the same way that every Salesforce record is. So I'm going to go through. I'm in a test opportunity here, and and you can see that there's like actually a Quip documents. This is in Lightning. There's a Quip documents related list. So I'm going to click New Document. And I'm going to click on this, and I'm just going to relabel it, Tom Test Document. So in this document, it'll have things like style, so you can actually create headers, bolded lists, checklists, and so forth. If I create a small header, I can call this a header, and I can actually then like maybe insert a date. Let's just insert today's date. And then I'm going to insert some like a checklist of things to do this, do that, and this could be considered like an action item list. And over on the left, notice that like this panel in here is showing like all the things that I've actually edited. So it's actually doing some edit tracking for us. Other cool features are I can actually insert things so I can actually insert spreadsheets or other things in here, images. So I can create a spreadsheet directly in this panel, and then start giving it and then enter A and B or whatever, and so I can build a spreadsheet directly into this, and then again you see it's tracking my edits. So I can do kind of a cool thing that I really like. I can show the outline, so wherever I created like a header will show up in the outline. So then over time you can start actually keeping like meeting notes, for example, and then say meeting for, and then again I'm going to insert a date, and then let's just say like next week we're going to, on the 15th, we're going to have a meeting. So the notice over on the right, like it's actually tracking these outline items. So pretty cool if you wanted to kind of like be able to have a project and track multiple things over time, and then use the outline to kind of quickly get to where you want to go. But here's where things get really cool, is you can actually share this document. So I'm going to share with Mary. So now Mary's going to get notified that I just shared. So now I can do things like I can add a comment. So like let's say I want like to tell Mary something specific. Need your advice on this spreadsheet meeting. And then you're all familiar with doing an @ mention, so I'm going to @ mention Mary. And then send this to her. So she will get pinged. And then you can see right now that it was read by Mary. So then right now we can see that Mary is actually making edits I'm not making these edits. She's making the edits directly in the spreadsheet. She just added to the to-do list. And so over here on the left, it's tracking that Mary is making these changes. So Quip is very cool from a collaborative standpoint. And then what's really important for us Salesforce users is I go back to my opportunity that I talked about. Here's the actual document that we're collaborating on. Again, I can just click on this and it's going to pop open a new document. But so then that way we can have a living document that's tied to our living Salesforce record on this opportunity. Very, very cool. Great feature. Thanks for watching this episode of Ask the ACES. If you would like more information about this or any other features, please contact us at www.twoadmins.com.